What's something people don't know about OK buttons? Their placement can make or break user experience. So, why is placing the OK button on the right generally considered better? It's all about visual flow and user efficiency. When the OK button is on the left, users follow the natural reading order. But this longer visual path can cause confusion. On the right, the OK button fits the conclusion of the user's action. This placement aligns with the Gutenberg diagram, leading to a smoother, quicker interaction. While some argue for the left for keyboard navigation ease, the right side placement minimizes visual fixations and potential errors. It's a faster, more intuitive choice for many. But here's the kicker. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Apple prefers OK on the right, Windows on the left. My advice: follow your platform's convention. So, where do you stand? Left or right, the choice is yours, but keep the user in mind. Please share your ideas in the video comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.